Yeah, guys. Today is Sunday. I came again here because my friend Vivian go back to Germany. So I came early. You see, over there, this is the park of the of Bologna Park. Here is working. They are working for the railway of tram. Yeah, it's the park. Epoca Romana. Roman Empire, huh? Epoca Romana. Huh? Very nice. Huh? Piazza 20 Settembre, the name of this place, this plaza. And this is Ice Bologna City. You see? Ice skating. Yeah. Apertura alas 3 to 20. Sabato Dominica 10. Sabato Dominica, Sabado, Saturday and Sunday 10 a.m. They open 10 a.m. 1 hour from now. Over there the train station. Oh. Very nice. But I don't have time now. Yeah, there are my store. Oh, pigeon, Puma. Puma, your pigeon is here. Oh. Alone. Alone. Yeah. You see the alone. Alone, your pigeon. Amore, blessed Sunday, amore. Oh. Your pigeon is alone. Agoy. Lipad. Very nice. Oh. Here, eating mortadella, porchetta, la baita. Mozzarellini, fritti, cocchetti. You see? Very nice. But I am in a hurry, guys. I have not too much time. Because I have to get a bus going to the hotel of Vivian. And today is Sunday. No, bike. Oh, have to rent a bike here. Oh, electric bike. This is the parking area of the bike. You see, Bologna. Okay. I'm going to the train station because the bus is there. Going to the hotel of Vivian. See? Peaceful. Bologna is peaceful because today is Sunday. But in the other day, oh, too much traffic. Too much traffic. See? The peaceful. Piazza 20 Settembre, this place. Oh, Puma, there are pigeons. Oh, two, 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 two lovers. In the city, there are many pigeons. You see, Laburo view. This is Bologna. Okay. Galleria. This is the Galleria. Galleria 2 August 1980. The name of this gallery. Galleria. Which I have to enter. Because very nice gallery. There are AV Souvenir, Bar Tabaki. There are many restaurants here in Galleria. There are many, you see, you see, here, Bologna. Okay, but I have no time. Restaurant over there. So, This is the gallery. Galleria. We call it Galleria restaurant. Here you see. Very nice. Very nice restaurant. There's the light. Uh-huh. Hatch. Oh, hatch. Hatch. There are many hatch. Very nice. Very nice. So we have to go out here, and in front is the train station. You see? Train station of Bologna in front of the gallery. Very nice, oh. Breakfast, brioche. Uh-huh. So in front train station, I go there to get my bus. To get the bus. Oh, not yet green. I don't know why people crossing not yet green because there's no bus. I am afraid. You see? Oh, that is a train station, Bologna. Train station. Levincy. My number is 21. Uh-huh. Okay, guys. Thank you very much, guys. Shout out everyone. Thank you for watching. I show you Bologna. Bologna is the capital region of Emilia Romagna. Mhm. Bye bye. Shout out Puma 33. Thank you for everything. Bye bye. Amore tesoro dalla zia.